Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to take you with me to one of the most beautiful and first cafe in Tehran. So if you're interested in finding new places and having new experiences in Tehran, this video is for you. So let's come and walk with us and have some fun. So now we are at Iranian Art Museum located in Elahiye. I was near this place and that's why I decided to visit here today. The interesting fact about this place is in this garden you can see tiny symbols of Persian signatures all around the place, and I heard that King Mohammad Reza in Pahlavi era ordered these symbols that I will show you in this video to use it in their ceremonies, but they didn't have the chance to use it in their ceremonies. And inside this garden, this Iranian garden, there is this wonderful cafe named Jaryan Cafe, and I want to eat something there because I haven't eaten anything since this morning, and I'm really hungry and thirsty, and the weather is so hot, and I need something to fresh me up. I ordered Zereshk Polo Morgh, which is a traditional Persian dish, and it's my favorite food, by the way. And I brought my notebook and book to do some of my works because I came here alone. You know, it was weird for the first times when I went to cafes alone, but now it's real peaceful and I have plenty of time for myself to do my own works and have some peace of mind, and you don't have to make small talk with other people or use energy to communicate with them, and it's really nice. I really enjoyed having lunch at Jaryan Cafe. I ordered, as I told you, I ordered Zereshk Polo Morgh, and it was so delicious. And the price is almost fair because I thought that this cafe was really expensive, and the other items were really expensive too, in compared to other cafes. But the price of Zereshk Polo Morgh was really fair. It was about 300 tomans, which is $6, I think. The waiters were really polite, and the atmosphere of the cafe is really nice and calm. And now I'm really tired because I was outside and looking for new places from the morning, and I'm going to head to home to use the rest of my holiday for myself. And thank you for watching our video today, and thanks for staying with us till the last seconds of the video. Hope you enjoy this vlog. See you soon.